Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I have just recovered from my fever. I'm here to just reveal some puppets. Okay, there's a reminder behind it, but later at the end of the video I will tell you what's the reminder. So I'm here to play some puppets. Look at this. Sorry for the camera struggling. I hope you guys have this toy, but I don't have the big one. Sorry for that. So, if you want me to buy the big one, please subscribe, like, and share what puppet should I play next. I actually got this puppet, there's a lot of more, but I don't know where's them. Sorry for that. I think my young brother take it, of course. So this is the puppet. This is the giant puppet, the square puppet. So at the end of the video is ending now. So I want to tell you guys, please not to bring puppets to school. I've seen my friends, a lot of them bringing things to school, bringing toys to school. For example, please do not bring toys to school, or else you might get scolded. I'm a student from Keming Primary School, from a class chairperson. Okay, so there's a reminder: do not bring puppet to school and do not play. Okay, bye bye.